Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to the Flash Crash Zone. Fun and games late last night. As we all know, some of you might just be waking up to the fact that yen and TRY pairs had a little bit of a wobble last night, to say the least. What I'm looking at here, just quickly, is dollar yen. Obviously, one of the main pairs that we're going to look at during the day. Now, what I said late last night is I was looking for where the support was going to develop, or how the picture overall was going to develop. Because when you get big moves like this, it just carves through all the tech, all the short-term tech, pretty much becomes redundant. So what you have to do is you have to let the price develop, you have to let the levels develop to see where the support, where the resistance comes in, and that's going to shape how we trade it going forward. There's a couple of key points that I want to show on this chart here, and this was as I was watching the price action late last night. The first area is down here, this level here, 106.65. The reason that was important to me last night is because while we were messing around over here, and the flash crash candle was just off the side here, I'll show you that quickly. So that's the big candle there, we can see. So what happened was, after we bounced back here, we had that period of indecision where the market doesn't know what it wants to do. Is it going to get hit again? Is it going to go up? Whatever's going to happen. And so it was important to me to watch a break of this area here. Now, if we broke below, then we head back down. If we break up above where we'd seen some prior resistance coming in, then that's a move to watch as well. But it's also the reaction after that reaction and after that reaction. So what we saw was this green candle here pushing us right up into the 107. It's quite a steep move. That held around up there for a while, and then we saw a drop back. And as I say, what's important is where this first drop back stops, and it stopped here at this 106.65 level. So why is that important? Well, it shows that support is building there, just the same as it's built there, and it's built there. We saw it again built here, but it's significant because it's come after a big push up. So the buyers have stepped in, they've pushed it right up, nearly 100 pips. But then it's seen some selling and it's pulled up short. It hasn't broken back down. So that's the first point I watch. Then we come back up again. Then we find support again here, and it just comes in just above this broken level here, the tops of these candles. So these 2 points are now on my radar. And those of you in the room last night when we were discussing this just before I left for the evening would know that I said watch the 106.60-80 area, and this is while we were trading up around here. The next level I had on the radar was up at this 108 level, just shy of it, 107.90. This was a level that I had on a chart for a long while. Spoke about it yesterday whenever I've had my charts out. We can see this level here, 108.39, sorry, 107.99. Let's have a look. Goes all the way back just to this area here, back in early 2018, where we saw a breakdown below it, and then we had resistance there, resistance up towards it there, resistance there, and then we had a break. So naturally, the level didn't stand for anything on the way down, but on the way back up, we then find out that, let me zoom in again, we then find out, here we are, finding resistance just below the level. So this is pretty much the range that we're in. We had a little peep above just a few moments ago, but we're finding resistance right up at 108 now. Obviously normal big figure resistance. The market's still very unsure, quick move back to 107.60 odd. So all we're looking for here really is where's the market going to go, the price development. We see now the support is back down here on this 106.80 level into this 106.60-80 area around here. We've got the resistance confirmed again up here. Now it's just a question of which way do we go. Do we come down and break this support, or do we go back above the resistance? So simply put, we've let the market decide where the support and resistance is, and maybe we can watch these areas. Maybe let's have a look. We can look for somewhere around about here, this sort of area, just to see if we get any resistance here. If that'll add to the case of buyers, you know, remaining strong and looking to push the price back up from whence it came. I don't worry too much about these moving averages on the 5-minute chart. As I say, that the tech is pretty useless on the lower time frames because we still got some heavy volatility, but we're watching the price develop, and that's what we'll see for now. So as I say, the support is down here, that's the level to watch, and the resistance is up here, and pretty much you can go with a break either way should you wish, but watch out for that volatility.